Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make this granny heart. You will find the measurement and the list of material I use in the description box below. So let's get started. We start with a magic ring. We chain 3. This chain 3 is our first double crochet. We're going to make 2 more double crochet inside the magic ring. 1, 2. We close the ring. Chain 3, turn in the same stitch where we chained before. We're going to add 2 more double crochet. Chain 1. In the 3rd chain we're going to make 3 double crochet. Chain 3. Turn your work. In the first stitch where we chained, we are going to make 2 double crochet. Chain 1. In the chain space we are going to make 3 double crochet. Chain 1. In the 3rd chain we're going to make 3 double crochet. Chain 3 and turn your work. We're going to add in the same stitch 2 more double crochet. Chain 1. In the chain space we make 3 double crochet. Chain 1. In the next space we are going to make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, and in the 3rd chain we make 3 double crochet. We chain 3 and we turn our work. That's what we have so far, and that's what you have to do through row 7. You make 2 double crochet when you start, because this is a double crochet. Chain 1, group of 3 double crochet in the chain space. Chain 1, group of 3 double crochet in the chain space. You go through the row 7 and I will meet you there to show you what we're going to do next. I finished row 7 That's how it looks like. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now for row 8, we're going to chain 3. We turn our work. We're not going to make any double crochet like we did before. We just go at the first space and we make 3 double crochet. Like so. Chain 1, and we continue until almost at the end with our group of 3 double crochet and chain 1. I will meet you at the end to show you what we're gonna do next. I'm almost at the end. I made my last group of 3. Now we're going to chain 1, and in the third chain we're going to make just 1 double crochet. Like so. For row 9, we're going to chain 3. We turn our work, and we're going to make our 3 double crochet in the second chain space. Like so. Chain 1, in the next space 3 double crochet, now here we have 1 in the middle. We're going to chain 3, and in this space we're going to slip stitch. Like so. We chain 3 again, in the next space 3 double crochet. Chain 1, next space 3 double crochet. Chain 3, and we slip stitch in the third chain. That's what we have so far. Now we're going to make the border. So from here where we slip stitch, we're going to chain 1, and in the first space we're going to make half double crochet, only 1. Then we're going to put 2 single crochet. In the next space, this double that we have here in the middle, we're going to make 3 single crochet. In the next here, we're going to make 3 single crochet. In each of these double crochet here in the middle. You're going to make 3 single crochet. You're going to continue all around until you reach row 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. When you be here, I will show you what we're going to do next. I reached the other side of row 7, this point here. In the next space here, we're going to make 2 single crochet and 1 half a double crochet. In the next space, we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Now here on top of these double crochet that we made before, in each stitch we make a double crochet like so. 1 2 and 3. In the next space, we're going to make a double crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to make a double crochet. The next stitch, a double crochet. In the last of the 3, we're going to make half double crochet. In this space, we're going to make 3 single crochet. 1 2 and 3. In this, on top of the slip stitch that we made before, we made a slip stitch. In the next space here, 3 single crochet. In the first stitch, we're going to make half a double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet, space in the middle, a double crochet, and in the next 3 stitches we're going to make double crochet. 1 2 and 3. In our last space, we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. On top of our half a double crochet that we did before, we're going to close our work. You can slip stitch if you want. I like to do it with the yarn needle. I'm going to grab my yarn needle and I will meet you there. Now here I'm going to cut the yarn. here on top of this stitch. And we're doing this one, pass through and down, like so. Adjust a little bit your stitch to make it even and similar to the others, like so. And now we can weave the end. That's our heart, how it looks like. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye!